you for joining me, and today we're going to fix a hot beverage that's a little different. It's my hot cocoa. I get it from my book, Finger Looking Way to Fight the Fat. And what I like about the hot cocoa is no caffeine. So if you're trying to lower or no caffeine, this is the beverage for you. Now, I use these carrot chips. And carrots are grown in the Mediterranean. They are somewhat in the legume family. They have a little bit fiber in it, and they're not as bitter as chocolate. And you get a good flavor. So this is what we're going to do. Let's get going. So you can use a medium saucepan like I have, and I'm turning it up on medium. And I'm starting off with a half of a cup of the carrot chips. And as you can see, it really looks like chocolate chips. The taste is not the exact as chocolate chips, but in the ballpark, but not quite. But you have to do some things to kind of pull out that flavor because it doesn't have as much fat as chocolate chips. So you can add some things to kind of kick that flavor up. Half a cup of chocolate chips, 2 cups, because I'm in the festive mood, 2 cups of non-dairy eggnog. I'm also going to add about 1 tablespoon of margarine. Again, so it's just kind of give it a fuller flavor. So you can still have the same experience that you have when you're drinking hot chocolate. About a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And you can also add, if you can get the imitation almond extract or almond flavor. Some non-dairy whipped topping. Garnish it like that. Make it real festive. A little shake of a cinnamon. Enjoy. Hot cocoa. Enjoy.